Picture tayo na.
Bagay camera mo?
Nahiya ka? Shy type si ano.
Patong ka na?
Yes?
Tagal naman ng game, be.
Oo nga.
Picture mo kami ni Ana. Dali na, Ana. Nahiya ka pa eh.
Blanco.
Magdadala si Nana.
Asa na kaya?
Oh, asa ka? Where eh?
Ano sila kaya?
On the way na yata. Asa na si Nana? Asa na si Nana? Ano? Okay.
Ready. Sige. Line up.
Line up tayo.
Explain niyo muna.
Ano yung game?
Dito ka, Jay.
Dito
ka, Jay.
Ano yung game?
Tatanungin muna natin sila. Ano yung...
Okay, fine. Dito na lang ako.
Ano ito?
Ang cute niyo naman! Oh, organize na kayo!
Ay!
Organize.
Hello.
Actually, hindi pala to game.
Yan na.
Ano yun? 4 years and 9 months. Ano mo ito? Babasahin ko na lang!
Gusto mo taga-basa, yo?
Teka, ang hirap kaya magsalita.
Gusto ba ako?
Kaya pang kumakanta tayo.
4 years and 9 months has been an adventure.
Yun no? Nandun ako.
We've been in so many things, all the ups and downs. We've seen tears fall, and that help us get stronger.
Pakita mo yung luwa.
Alam, bakit ang get up ko? Ano ba yan?
It has always been so much fun. You taught me a lot, helped me with everything. Big or small, you never gave up. You stood my back.
Sana sinabi mo lang mag-visual lang ako.
Parang
sa'yo.
You helped me to be better, to fight through my mistakes. I've learned not to give up. You opened my eyes.
Oh.
Thank you.
Sige.
And I know I could never thank you enough. Life was always been hard for me, but you made it easy.
Wow! Labas na!
I've never been so happy in my life. I think I'm proud enough to say how much I love you. You've always been a great friend, partner, best friend, a wonderful girlfriend, and I know you will be a great mother.
English talaga.
There was not a dull moment together, and you're that kind of a crazy mood.
Smile, guys.
You kept that smile even in the hardest time, and you kept on laughing in the moment of breaking down. I know I'm not perfect, but I'm always trying. I'm always trying to keep you happy and that beautiful smile, and of course your tummy. The only thing that keeps me going is you, and now it's even stronger because of you too. It was always been you, and I'm sure of that. No question asked.
Pinapawisan ka?
Buksan mo yung aircon.
Bakit ang get up ko?
I choose to be with you, and I know it's not a hard decision to make. I love you and will always do. Cheesy to say, but that's how I feel, and I'm not afraid to say. It's hard for me to explain in words, I know, but I think...
Uy, Ikaw, hindi ka ganyan, ha? Tingin! Ang galing! Uy, Jun, ba't ako walang ganyan? Ano sila?
Bakit ang get up?
Ulitin!
Biso na!
Pagandahin! Hindi, ma-edit naman yan eh!
Nakapajama pa
Akin na yan, akin na yan.
Buhay ka, tumasan!
Alis, sabit daw.
Di ba sumasagot?
Dati parinig ka, no.
Kasi
Here's
get
picture ako.
Ulit ka na!
AJ, taas mo.
Teka lang ha. Picture mo kayo. Dora, send sa'yo. O, doon ka, sige na.
Ay, doon ka.
Yayo, sama mo.
Kayo! Ang ganda.
Uy, bigay mo. Hindi ka.
Ano yun?
Picture tayo.
Yes.
Ganda.
Hindi kita, kailangan natin.
Ay, pantay! Pantay!
Maganda na sa chat. Hindi kita yung picture. Hindi kita yung
Lock.
Hindi na yung
Kaya pala walang flowers kahapon.
Yung A mo!
Baliktad.
Parang R.E.U. eh. R.E.U. Ayan, ang ganda. Ang cute niya. Uy, pero nga din yan. Ang cute! Tayo